This is a presentation on primary and secondary literature, an introduction for the sciences. The key points are knowing the different types of articles you find in scientific publishing, how to identify popular secondary literature, its benefits and its drawbacks, and how to identify primary scholarly articles. This is the publication New Scientist, and it is an example of a journal that publishes secondary research articles. The cover article is Don't Burn Out, How Stress Attacks Your Body and How to Fight Back. We know that this is a secondary research publication because in these articles, reporters and authors discuss a research topic, making an interpretation of what research is out there, what it is about, and what it concludes. It's designed to report on what is known based on one or more research studies. This type of article is secondary because it is reporting after the fact of the research. The author of this article is not the one who designed and conducted the research. These are usually found in popular magazines and news sources, not usually in scholarly peer-reviewed sources. What are some benefits you can think of to reading secondary articles in the sciences? And can you think of some problems we might face when we only rely on reading secondary articles on scientific topics? The example shown here is an example of a primary research study. It was published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, and it is a study on inflammation and nutrition in mice. We can figure that out by reading the title of the article and looking at the abstract to understand what the study was about. We know that it was a primary report of research because of the outline of the article. It has a materials and methods section, and it has a results section. All of the authors listed under the title were the researchers who are reporting the results of the study that they did. Authors of this type of article, a primary research study, are the people who did the research and most likely had a part in designing the study. This article is a structured report of the research study and what specifically was done, their methods, and their findings, their results. This type of article is primary because it is the first main report of the research. These type of articles are found in scholarly peer-reviewed sources and not generally found in their full form in newspapers or glossy magazines. If you read about them in a newspaper or glossy magazine, you can usually consider that the secondary report of that research. This concludes the presentation. The Egan Library at UAS is available for you to answer your questions about primary and secondary sources. Visit us at this website.